tasty recipes with Mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is chatpate chicken biryani. So let's get started. Prepare paste of these tomatoes. Pour the tomato paste in a utensil. Some more. Cook properly. Now cover it. Take out the tomato paste into a bowl. Turn on the flame. Cooking oil, cinnamon, star anise, black cardamom, cloves, black pepper, white zira, bay leaf. Add some chopped onions. Fry the onions. Add some washed chicken. Fry until chicken turns into brownish color. Add chili, ginger, garlic paste. Cook properly. Lemon juice. Cook properly. Add prepared tomato paste. Salt. Biryani masala. Biryani masala. Cook well. Add some mint. Lemon. Cook well. Cover it. Our gravy is ready. Water, coriander, green chili, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, salt, lemon. Cover it. Add rice. Cover it. Boiling water. Strain the boiled rice. First layer of boiled rice. Add a layer of gravy. Mint. Repeat the process. Food color. Mint. Lemon. Green chili. Kura essence. Cover it. Cook it on high flame for 10 minutes and 20 minutes on low flame. After 30 minutes, thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.